Hey, this is Danielle over at 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐤.com, and today we're going to talk about how to add iron-on vinyl to your backpack. So a friend of mine's daughter really likes Dora the Explorer and wanted a Dora the Explorer backpack. She purchased this backpack here. It's a purple backpack, and I am going to customize it for her, seeing she couldn't find what she wanted in adult size. And we are going to put the face for the backpack right here because there really isn't a good amount of space to space everything out below. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is find a coloring book page and just upload the face to Design Space. You're going to have to add each section in individually, so you just sort of erase everything except for each individual part. And I'm going to talk about it a little bit more in my blog post, but on the left is the grouped image, and on the right is all the little pieces put together with the colors adjusted to the correct colors for the face. So in order to do this, I'm placing this here. So these are all my pieces. I'm using red, yellow, white, and black HTV. I'm also using a teeny clover press, which is not on and preheating. Whoops. I'm using this instead of using a large press. If I had the little mini press from Cricut, I would use that, but I didn't want to use a big one because I'm trying not to hit these straps here. So I want to heat up just this area and just the design. So it's going to take me a few minutes because I'm going to have to press each area and kind of go over it separately, but I'd rather do that than ruin the backpack. So pretty much right now we're just trying to set things up. Once this is preheated, I will preheat the area and then press the pieces on. Okay, to start, I'm going to do the mouth first because I want to get the lowest part first. I'm just preheating the area before I stick the pieces on. I have to do the red first and then do the black over it. So I've got the mouth placed here, so I'm just going to press this. Now again, we're kind of running into an issue because this press is much smaller than the design, so we're just going to press each section little by little. Okay, so if it's pressed, it should peel off easily. There we go. Okay, so now that's done, we want to put the black outline for the mouth over it. So again, we're going to preheat this area, but I don't want to touch the vinyl directly with my my heat press thing. So I'm going to heat this area up using it, but I'm putting a piece of cotton over. Now that we've peeled the plastic off for the red piece, we are lined up the black piece over it, and we're going to press this one on top. Again, we're just preheating the spot before we place our eyeballs, and we want to do the white part of the eyeballs first. The eye outlines need to go on separately because otherwise they'll overlap, so you don't want that to happen. I had to cut them out and do them separately. So we are going to press this one and make sure not to hit the raw vinyl here. So we're just going to hit the design, and then we'll do the second one separate. Okay, so we are almost done. All we have to do is add these guys, and we need to preheat this area first, and then we will place them. When it's pressed on real good, you'll notice that you can kind of see the texture of the backpack underneath. So I've got all of my pieces on. Afterwards, I try to just go over. I cover it with a piece of cotton and just kind of go over everything and just press again. And then I flip it, cover the back because the other side is like this silky stuff and I don't know if it'll melt. So I cover that with cotton and then press the back as well. And again, that's just to make sure it's secured. Should be fine, probably even without that, but can't be too sure because it really stinks when your vinyl starts peeling. So that's all there is to it. And here's the final product. I also made a water bottle to go along with it that looks like the map, and that's all there is. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Check out my blog, 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐤.com. Take care.